I'm currently on holiday in Greece, or to be more precise, the island of Rhodes, which is on the coast of Turkey. And throughout Rhodes' last 400 or 500 years history, it's been part of Turkey, and it was part of the Ottoman Empire until 1912, when the Italians came in and took over. And in 1947 it was incorporated into Greece. So effectively it's really a Turkish island, even though it's part of Greece. And its main sort of money making, it's the main thing Rhodes does is tourism, and people like me come to Rhodes on holiday. But it's also does a lot of olives, creating olive oil. And if you're like me and you enjoy olive oil, you'll know that the price of olive oil has gone up by 400% in the last couple of years. But another great export that Rhodes provides is these oranges. So it does oranges as well, and these things are amazingly juicy and amazingly sweet. They're lovely. On the island of Rhodes, I've spent some of my time in Rhodes town itself, and I've gone around Rhodes town and taken a few photos there, and I'll put those up now so you can have a look at some of my pictures of Rhodes town. And now I'm in the town of Lindos, or very close by, and I've taken a few shots of Lindos as well. But the most important, exciting thing about being here in Lindos is that I've got a super view of the sea and the horizon. And because Lindos is in the east of the island, I've got an amazing view of the rising sun. And what this video is about is me showing you that rising sun, but also showing you some pictures I'm taking and the setting I'm using and how I'm getting that amazing sunrise of the coast of Rhodes on the east near Lindos. Let's have a look now, and I'll show you exactly what I'm trying to do and the pictures I'm trying to take. Getting this amazing view out of my hotel balcony does come at quite a cost, because I've found to get to my room I have to go up a vernacular railway, up 2 elevators, and then finally a flight of stairs. And it's quite a trek to get all the way up to the room, but it's really worth it because the views are spectacular. And I've got an amazing view when I get up in the morning at 5:30, and I get the view from my bed that you'll sometimes see on those Instagram pictures that you're not sure whether they're real or they're fake. And I've actually got that for pretty much the first time, and it is amazing to wake up watching the rising sun in such a beautiful scene. I've got about 20 minutes before the orb of the sun pops up over the horizon. There's some mountains in the distance, and the sun is coming up right through the middle of those mountains. Because the sun is quite distant from me, I'm going to use my 45mm f1.8 to get the images, and I might even use my 40-150 plastic fantastic lens. And hopefully both of these lenses, which I've brought on holiday because they're tiny, can easily fit in my bag with my camera. I can use either of those to get a nice cropped in shot of the sun rising through the distance. Currently I'm on manual settings. I'm on 1/500 f4 and base ISO. What you'll see is as the sun is rising, the light in the sky is getting brighter and brighter and brighter, and eventually the orb of the sun will come up about the centre of the picture. I'm currently focusing at the bottom on a boat at the bottom. I'm going to try and get a bit of foreground in the bottom, and then hopefully I'll get the sun popping up here. I'm going to take a variation of horizontal and vertical shots so I can get a couple of different types of image, and I'm going to take a couple of shots of the background as it is now. The sun's just coming up, as you can see. You might be able to see it's just popping up through the back now. I'm going to take a couple of shots now. Here's the first one, and you can see it just appearing there. And I'll just take a couple more shots now, and I'll show you those shots in a second. Thank you very much indeed for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheerio.